Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to tell you that you're trying to download apps but you can't, although you have storage, but the Apple keeps saying you that you need to update or you need to add payment. So let's fix this error. So what you have to do, you can go to setting and press on your profile or tap here, and here you will see payment and shipping. Just tap on this. So what you have to do, make sure you have to add payment. It could be a credit or debit card, or you can add mobile phone, because without adding payment method, I think you cannot download any apps. And the second is, you can go to App Store and from there tap on this profile picture, and here you will see your profile picture name. Just tap on this and wait for a few seconds, and you will have some options like this. So here you can see manage payments. Tap on this and make sure to add payment method, verify it. And the second tip would be, you can lower the power mode. And this is all about the video. Do tell me that this really works or not, or you have any other question, just comment down in the comment box section, and have a nice day.